Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Today is 1st July and we are celebrating National Doctors Day. We celebrate this day on the birth and death anniversary of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai. He was a great physician of India. This day is celebrated to honor the efforts of the doctors for patients. This day was celebrated for the first time on 1st July 1991. This day is celebrated to make people recognize the importance of doctors. We should respect doctors. Thank you.